great little townhome in Sugar City, Idaho. This one happens to be an end unit. Front door, a nice entry. Stairs to the upstairs location. Garage right here on the right. It's used as storage right now. We'll look at the main floor first. Here on the left, there is a half bath. There's storage behind the door. Then you move into the living room. Good sized living room and dining room. Has a fenced in back yard. Very nice kitchen appliances, granite. It has a nice big hidden pantry. Storage clear to the ceiling. Lots of storage. And let's go upstairs. Storage coat closet at the top of the stairs. You have a flex room just off the master bedroom right here. So you can lock it, make it part of your bedroom, use it for a nursery, a library, a reading room, a game room, extra window on the end unit here. It's got nice trim work. And this is that flex room. We're currently using it for a massage room. Here's your master. Has the tiled shower, which was an upgrade also. And you have a one bath, two sinks, and a really nice big organized master bath or master bedroom closet. Down the hall here, there's the flex room we just was in off the master. You have a washer dryer. Nice big laundry area with storage. And it's hooked up, it has a gas and a electric hookup for the dryer. This is just your water heater closet, which is natural gas as well. Storage here at the end of the hallway built in. Then you have the bedroom one, or this one has the shelves on each end, but yeah, it has the barn doors with organized storage. So it's got a nice big closet as well. We'll go to next bedroom. Total of 3 bedrooms in these. Nice big window, lots of light. And then this one has the walk-in type closet with storage organizers as well. And the 2.5 bath, this is the third one. So you have granite countertops and a full shower tub combination. That is a very nice built townhome. Very comfortable, clean and new. Give us a call if you'd like to look at it. Jeff or Ryan Lerwill, 208-356-7300. Thanks for taking the time. Bye-bye.